today is 30th, guys, of October 2020, and it's Friday. And yeah, tomorrow is 31st and Halloween, and I am going to prepare a typical dessert, something like that here, guys. Yes, and I will show you. So we are going to make panallets. Yes, so this is a typical dessert in Castanyada. Castanyada, guys, they call it here because, you know, it is the time to eat castañas. Castañas is chestnuts, sweet potatoes, mandarins, mga ganun, guys, pomegranates. So yeah, so, and also pumpkin. So those are the pumpkin. Yes, guys, so yun yung mga typical na pagkain ngayon. But I'm going to show you how I'm going to make panallets. So as I've said, panallet is a kind of dessert. Okay, guys, so when we went to the supermarket the other day, they already have this pack, guys. Yes, this pack with the ingredients and all that, guys. So gagawa tayo ng panallets. So panallets, the pinions, guys, is pine nut, almendras, coco. Almendras is almond, and coconut. So this is a pack of almond, and this is a pack of coconut, and a pack of pine nut, and this is the how do you call this, almond flour. This is the almond flour. Yes, yan yung pinaka base natin. And ito naman yung almond na ganyan ang cut niya, guys. And yes, this is the coconut, as I've said before, and pine nuts. So as in, guys, na complete, tapos may bandeja na din siya. And this one, guys, dito natin ilagay yung gagawin natin. So nandito din, guys, yung instructions how to make it. Yes, so nandyan yung pinions. And pinions or the pine nuts, we can make 8 daw ang pwede natin gawin dito sa isang pack. Dito sa isang pack na to, guys, ng pine nut. Okay, ng pine nuts. And yung cocoa, the cocoa 10. And the other one, the panallets, or I mean the almond, we can make also 10. So in total is 28 panallets. So the ingredients, guys, are 200 grams of almond flour, 200 grams of sugar, 150 grams of potato or boniato. So I cook already, guys, this sweet potato. Yes, I already boiled, not boiled, but steam. I just steamed it and still quite warm. Yes. And what else? The ingredients: skin of half lemon, margarine, flour. Do we need flour? And eggs. Oh, I didn't know that we need flour. Yes. So yun, guys, and here is the instruction how to make it. All right, so I'm going to show you, guys. Yeah, guys, napunit ko siya, guys, kasi naka-scotch tape kasi dito, nakadikit siya, and I tried to pull it. Ayun, napunit ko na siya, guys. So ganyan na ang itsura niya, napunit. Oh, OMG, but it's okay, don't worry, it's just a paper. Now we have to mash it, guys. 150 grams only of sweet potato. And we are going to put 200 grams of sugar. Lagay na rin natin dito, guys. So I put 140 of sugar only. Instead of 200, 140, no? 140, guys, of sugar. Maybe 200 will be too sweet. And 250 of this. And lagay natin itong pack na to. Okay guys, so gagawa tayo guys ng coconut na flavor. So isang kutsara guys, isa ding kutsara na itong mixture natin. Yes, 1, 2. It's 10 pala guys. 10. Nasa ano pala siya guys, nasa list na pala siya na 10 ang pwede nating gawin dito. So, let's add 10 of these. Yeah? 10 na ganito guys ang gawin natin. 1, 9, 10. Okay, so 10 na guys. Okay guys, para hindi didikit ang ating kamay guys, we have to use flour. Ayan. And our tray, naka-ready na din ang ating tray guys. Okay, let's put flour. Para hindi didikit ang ating kamay. Yes, so ganyan lang siya guys. So, ayan. Let's put like this. And ayan, masahin na natin guys. So, bale, baka marami yata. Ang style nito guys is ganun, pyramid. Parang ganyan guys. Ganyan ang style niya, ganyan. Yes? ¿Qué pasa? Ganun guys, ang style niya ganito. So, ilagay natin dito. And now, ano naman ang gawin natin? Yung pine nuts. Oh, have to work with my flour. Ito naman guys ang gawin natin. So, ganyan lang guys. Ipadaan lang natin dito. Ipadaan lang natin na ganyan. Taran! O, diba? Ganyan naman guys. Ayan. 1. Kaso nga lang, parang kulang. 8 daw ang pwede niyang gawin. 8. Ala, 7 lang, guys. Pito lang, guys, ang nagawa natin na ganito, na balls. Ayan, guys, tapos na yun siya. Wala na, ubos na. 7 lang, guys. 7. I have to wash my hands. Now we have to cut this. 10 daw ang pwede natin gawin. 10. Let's see. Kung 10 nga. Pahaba naman siya, guys. Ganito siya, guys. So guys, ito lang ang nagawa natin, guys. Walang 28. 10 itong coconut. And then 2, 4, 6, 7, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So, kulang ng 5, guys. 23. 23 lang ang nagawa natin. Tapos, marami pang crushed almond, guys. Marami pa. Yes. Yung base natin ang kulang. Or maybe, naparamihan ko itong mga ito, guys. Yes. Siguro, no? Naparamihan ko siya. And now what we are going to do is, we have to beat egg and then we are going to spread on top and then bake it for 8 to 10 minutes in 250 degrees Celsius, guys. I put in the oven already. So, guys. Ayan, guys. Okay na. Luto na sila. Okay na. And now it's time to enjoy our panallets. And the best partner of panallet is muscatel or mistela. Muscatel or mistela is a kind of sweet wine.